Hello friends, today we learn how to create account for Snowflake. First you need to enter VUE/Snowflake. I am using Chrome right now. You can use any browser. Click on this first link. Continue to log in. If you have already account, you can directly enter your password and email ID here and log in from here. If you don't, you need to create a new account. Here you need to enter your first name. Enter your first name here. Here your last name, email address, country. Select your country, then I address, your current address. Jawadi face 1. Then city, Pune. Then your state. After that, postal code, and then enter your phone number. Then here you need to answer some questions. Verify. Click on this tick box. Then create account. An email has been sent to your email address for verification. You need to check your email address. Open your Gmail. Wait, I'll open Gmail. Yes, here, Snowflake certification portal. Click on this link for verification. Create your password. Enter your password here. Password must be strong. Contain 12 characters. Enter password. Confirm your password. Set password. And it's done. If you want to learn how to register for exam, you can subscribe our channel now.